Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve this interesting Math Olympiad problem right here. We have x squared minus y squared equals 65. Here we have to find the value of x and y that will satisfy this equation. Now we have a solution of x squared minus y squared equals 65. Now, if you look at the left hand side of this equation carefully, you observe that x squared minus y squared is of the form of difference of two squares. When as such, we can also express this as x plus y into x minus y. If you expand this, you get this exactly, and this equals, we are going to express 65 as a product of 13 and 5. 5 is 13 multiply 5. Then the next step to be considered, we are going to compare the two sides of the equation. Right here we have x plus y and we have x minus y. X plus y is greater than x minus y. Then as such, we are going to compare this to this and we compare this with this. Now, as such, the equation becomes x plus y equals 13. We mark this equation 1, and we also have x minus y equals 5. We mark this equation 2. With this, we have gotten a simultaneous equation. Therefore, we are going to solve these two equations simultaneously now to obtain the value of x and y. Now, to get the value of y, that is from here now, we are going to use elimination method. We are going to eliminate y in this case by adding equation 1 and 2 together. And as such, we are going to add this. Now, x plus x, that 2 give us 2x. Then if you add up this, plus y plus minus plus minus y, but to give us 0, and so the whole of this is gone. Therefore, 2x equals, here we have 13 plus 5, that will give us 18. Now, to get the value of x here, we are going to divide both sides of the equation through by 2. We divide here by 2, we divide here as 2 as well. Therefore, here 2 eliminate 2, and x equals 18 divided by 2, that gives us 9. And this is the value of x from this equation. Now, to get the value of x, we are going to substitute this value 9 for x in any of this equation. Now, let us use equation 2. Equation 2, we have x minus y equals 5. Now, to be able to see as we substitute 9, and we are going to have here 9 minus y equals 5. Now, to get to y, we are going to collect like terms. Now, we are going to move minus y to the right hand side of the equation, and we move 5 to the left hand side of the equation. The equation becomes 9 minus 5 equals y. Because when negative y crossing equality becomes positive, and we have here 9 minus 5, that gives us 4 equals y, and this also implies that y equals 4. Therefore, in summary, we have that x equals 9 and y equals 4. Now, you can also confirm your answer by substituting this value back to the main equation, and if you do that, you are going to have here that the main equation was x squared minus y squared equals 65. Now, taking this value back, we are going to have x is 9 to the power of 2, y is 4 to the power of 2 equals 65. Then here 9 squared, that gives us 81 minus 4 squared, that gives us 16 equals 65. Then right here 81 minus 16, that gives us 65, and this equals to the right hand side. and this implies that these our values here are correct, and these are the value that satisfy this given equation. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.